Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, our lesson is sector of a circle. In this lesson, we will be discussing sector, central angle, and circular segment. Okay, let's start with sector. When we say sector, this is the shape formed by an arc and two radii in a circle. Okay, let's give an example. Let's draw sector AOB in this circle. Okay, let's say this is point A and this is point B. Okay, sector is the shape formed by an arc and two radii. Okay, in this example, our arc is arc AB. And if we will draw arc AB, okay, this will be our arc AB. Okay, what about our two radii? So it will be radius OA and radius OB. So where is radius OA? From this center of the circle to this point. So this is OA or radius OA. What about OB? So from here to this point, then this is radius OB. So our sector AOB is this shape. Okay, now, what about central angle? Central angle is simply the angle formed by sector AOB or arc AB. And that angle is this angle. Okay, we will name this angle as angle, okay, AOB. So angle AOB is formed by sector AOB or arc AB. Moving on, let's go to the third concept that you have to understand. And this is what we call the circular segment. Okay, when we say circular segment, this is the shape formed by an arc and a chord in a circle. Okay, let's give an example. Let's say this is point A, this is point B. Let's draw the circular segment in this circle. Okay, again, this is the shape formed by an arc. So it will be arc AB. So arc AB is this arc. And chord AB. So chord is a line segment, so there should be a starting point and end point. So from here up to this point, so this is our chord AB. So circular segment is this shape. Okay, now, there is a shape that is both a circular segment and a sector. Okay, let's draw this shape that is both circular segment and a sector. Okay, let's say this is point A, this is point B. Okay, if it's a circular segment, there should be an arc and a chord. If it's a sector, there should be an arc and two radii. Okay, in this example, to draw circular segment, okay, we have to draw arc. And it will be arc AB. Okay, what about the chord? So it will be chord AB or line segment AB. So our circular segment is this shape. Okay, what about sector? Take note, sector is also a shape. So sector, there should be an arc and two radii. So in this example, our arc is arc AB. Okay, what about our two radii? So from the center of the circle up to this point, so this is radius OA. What about here? From the center up to this point, then this is radius OB. So this is just the same shape with circular segment. Okay, that means if the chord in a circular segment passes through the center of the circle and the two radii in a sector forms a straight line or 180 degrees, then that shape is both circular segment and a sector. Okay, this shape is what we call semicircle. Okay, let's have more of like this by answering this concept check question. Okay, fill in the appropriate answer in the box. Okay, in a circle, a sector and circular segment are the same when the chord of the segment passes through the blank of the circle. So it will be the center of the circle. Okay, in this case, the sector becomes a semicircle. Okay, so the measure of the central angle of the sector is 180 degrees. Okay, now let's answer this simple activity. Indicate the following on circle O. Okay, the first one is a circular segment formed by arc BC and line segment BC. Okay, so where is point B? How about C? Okay, this point. Okay, arc BC is this arc. Okay, what about line segment BC? So this is point B, this is point C, so this is line segment BC. Or you can call this one also as chord. So chord BC. So our circular segment is this shape. Okay, number 2. What about a sector formed by line segment OA, line segment OD, and arc AD? Okay, point O is here and point A is here. So line segment OA is this line. OD is this line. These are also called radii in this circle. Okay, what about arc AD? So A, and this is point D, so this is our arc AD. So the sector is this shape. Okay, what about number 3? We are going to find the central angle of sector COD. Okay, where's point C? This point. What about O? Okay, this point. And this is point D. So we are looking for the central angle of sector COD. So COD, the central angle is this angle. And this is angle COD.